Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be thankful for the four subscribers that we've currently got. I'm currently in my caravan. I would show you around, but it's a bit of a building site at the moment, so I'm putting up new walls. Once it's done, I'll show you guys. I'm just installing a kitchen here. Got my desk area in front of me. I put a new door in the toilet because I wasn't happy with the one it came with, but I mean it seems to work well. And there's a shower in there as well. I've got a log burner. I'm just segregating areas off to try and keep the heat in. So what it is quite sort of like the heat does dissipate from this quite easily. I'm going to go through the cooking on my Camper Freedom cooker today. I'm going to be cooking a nice Tesco's festive pie, pucker pie I got from Tesco's, and just some simple oven chips. Now on my last video, as you remember, I put up a video of me cooking, and I accidentally left the tray on top of my van as I pulled away, and I watched it in my rear view mirror fly down the road as I was travelling at 60 miles an hour. So I've just got to try and sort that out before I start cooking today. So I'm just heating some water up at the moment for a cup of tea. Just preheating the oven at the moment, then we'll whack these in. I'll do a time-lapse video of the food cooking, and I'll give you my thoughts on the cooker, as it were. Yeah, thanks for the guys who have watched my current video that I put up. Don't forget guys, there is a competition on that video, so for your chance to win the oven. It's not a cheap oven, it's a good oven from when I used it last. This will be the first time I've used it not outside, so we'll see how it fares. Yeah, so I'll put the time lapse up in a second, and we'll have a little chat afterwards. Alright, see you in a bit guys, thank you. Right, welcome back. Hopefully that wasn't too long. I'll try and speed up, so it's probably about maybe 10 seconds. I think I went a bit too much on the drone footage on my last video. There's quite a few people have been sort of like knocking off the drone footage. That's why I've got one video with drone footage, one video without drone footage, or with a shorter drone footage, as it were. So the oven, it worked well. It's weird. You turn the oven on, you preheat it, it goes up to 300 degrees. When you've got items in there cooking, it doesn't reach that temperature. It sort of seems to, the food steals the heat, which naturally it would. So you can hear here, yeah, nice pastry on the pie. Didn't burn. Let's just take that out there. Lovely. So yeah, it cooked it lovely. It's nice and hot. It is hot. I've been a chef for 25 years, so my hands are used to picking up things that are hot. Now I did get some nice coloured chips. I've got some coloured chips, I've got some burnt chips. I don't think it's the oven's fault. So I've got some burnt chips like that. Still edible. I've got some nice golden chips. I didn't bother, because I was doing a video, rotate the chips. So if I'd spent some time, I could have probably made them golden all over. But yeah, the oven works well. It's supposed to last, I think, 2 hours on one cartridge, and I've still got the cartridge in there, and I've been cooking. That's a bit too overcooked. I've been cooking now for half an hour, and the cartridge seems absolutely fine. There's no issues. Yeah, let me know what you think, guys. No. I should have known. I should have turned them over. See, nice and golden. And this festive pie, I don't even know what's in the pie. Festive pie. There you go. So it looks like there's turkey, must be stuffing. I mean, it looks it's nice and moist, lovely and moist. There you go. Yeah, lovely and moist in the pie. So I haven't bothered doing gravy. Yeah, just a bit of stuffing there. I think there's a pig in a blanket, a bit of turkey, gravy. Yeah, it looks like a lovely pie. Yeah, so it looks lovely and moist. You can see there the steam coming off it, hopefully. Yeah, look at that, lovely. Thankfully, I did do it inside because it's raining outside, and I still need to do my video on my pull-out kitchen on my van. I will be doing that. It's just I'm building a shelf in the van at the back for more storage area because I found that I didn't have much storage when I went to Scotland, and it was frustrating because I was living on top of myself. So, yeah. Lovely. Yeah, sorry for that cut. I've forgot that I got myself a drink. I've never had it before. I do drink cider. I've got a natural fruity Brothers cider here. Never had it before. Saw it on the shelf. Thought I'd give it a go. It's a Somerset, 3.4% volume, and it's apparently they're still at festivals. So that's to go with dinner. You can see the colour. It's quite a pink colour. I drink fruity Strongbow. I like it. It's I used to drink Strongbow a lot as a teenager and as in my young 20s, but that was normal Strongbow. I just find that the flavour's too acidic now. Yeah, now I'm nearly 40 next month. I find it's too acidic, and I find that the fruity flavour and the other ones it's easiest to drink. Same as the wines. I drink Malbec, but I've been getting into sort of rosé fruity wines. It's just nice. That is a lovely pie. As I said earlier on in the video, I think I misspoke slightly. It's not this oven you'll be winning if you enter the competition. It's a brand new oven, so I wouldn't give you a second-hand oven. But obviously the competition is in that video. So you'll have to watch that video to enter it. Yeah. Yes, you win the chance to get or have the chance to win that style of oven. As I say in that video, I can't obviously post it with gas because I don't know what all the rules are about posting things with gas. So the oven will come, but you can pick up the gas anywhere. It's just proper butane bottled gas. It's so I've got one connected to my kettle now. Let me just unscrew it. It's not this. It's this style, but it's the shorter ones. I'm using the blue shorter ones on it, and as I said, they last for 2 hours. Yeah. Oh, that is lovely. Not as strong as I thought it'd be. It's very mild. Raspberries and lime. Lovely. Right, well, I'm going to crack on eating this dinner. Thank you for watching, guys. I know this. I suppose I should talk about the oven, really. It's easy to light. It heats up extremely fast, I didn't need to fix that shelf. It fit, which is absolutely fine. I don't think I'm using it correctly with where the shelves go. I've got to look into that. I've only used it a couple of times, and the way I'm using it seems to work for me, whether it's correct or not. So yeah, as long as it works, it works. As I said, the temperature, it looks like it's running too hot when there's nothing in it, but as soon as you put food in it, the food stills the heat, and it sticks around sort of like 180, 200 on low. I did think I was going to have issues keeping the temperature at that, obviously because when there wasn't food in it I was testing it. Yeah, looks like it's easy to clean. I don't put food in there that spits. I will be doing things like fajitas and things like that in there. Maybe all-in-one pan roast dinner. That'd be quite nice. That'd be a good experience. It's just time consuming. Obviously, it's Christmas. I'm a chef, and I do not have a lot of time on my hands. Come January, I will be posting more videos. I was hoping to post one a week at the moment, but the time constraints are quite a lot, as I just said, because of Christmas. But I don't know, guys, let me know what you think about short videos like this. I mean, an hour-long video, that's the first time I've ever created a video that is an hour long, that wasn't music. I've also got my drone videos on my other channel, and I've got my music channel that I use to not publish songs, but put songs up. I enjoy doing that, and that's yeah. It's just an outlet, really, just to sort of like write what I'm thinking and put it to music. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments about videos this long. I would prefer to do shorter videos. I don't think the retention on longer videos is quite hard. I'll get round to, hopefully the retention will go up when the subscribers go up. I don't want to do what people do and pay for subscribers. I'd rather let this channel naturally grow. And if it stays at 4 subscribers, it stays at 4 subscribers. But if it managed to grow, that would be great. As I said, I'd love to do travelling. I'd love to go Portugal, France. Not in my caravan. It's currently not MOT'd. It's currently not taxed. It's not insured. I live on a farm at the moment. The council decided to do a thing where they got all of the caravans off the road. So it was I had to move onto a farm, and luckily they're allowing me to stay all year round. But I've lived this way for 2 years. Only just decided to start doing it up. I'm happy with what I've done so far, and I'll let you guys see how I finish it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm rambling on now. I'm just talking for the sake of talking whilst eating my food. I'll finish this up, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Again, if you're interested in winning one of those ovens, go ahead and enter the competition on my Scotland video. Yeah, and it'll be you could win an oven. I think they retail at about £2.70 at the moment, so it is good. It's very good. It's lightweight as well, light as a feather. I mean, my daughter, she's 6 years old and she can pick it up, so yeah. Anyway, love you and leave you guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you got this far, give me a thumbs up and a like, and please do subscribe to the channel, because it will help me, and it lets me know that you're interested, and it will motivate me to make more videos. And if you don't like, or let me know what you do like and let me know what you don't like, and I'll grow the channel around that. Anyway, thank you guys. Cheers. Bye.